Hey there Wanderers! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the All Levels mode in the Challenge Randomizer. From the app, go to Challenges. On the Challenges page, start by selecting All Levels from the mode options at the top. When you generate challenges using this mode, the app will automatically select one challenge from each difficulty level. That means you'll always get 4 challenges total, one level 1, one level 2, one level 3, and one level 4. This mode is great if you want a balanced experience, starting with something easier and gradually adding harder challenges into the mix. After generating your challenges, you can refresh individual challenges if you want to reroll just one difficulty level, or regenerate all 4 at once. You can also filter challenges by type before generating, so the results better match the kind of Backrooms level you want to play. Once you're happy with the set, you can share it by copying the page URL and sending it to other players. That's it for All Levels mode. In the next tutorial, I'll show you how the Random Challenge mode works.